Hi folks, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Well, a few thundery showers have blossomed over southeastern Queensland and could develop as far north as Rockhampton later tonight. Unlikely though. By morning, a gusty southerly wind change will clear it all out to sea, spreading cool, dry air right up to the deep tropics and creating rough conditions on the open water. Well, I thought today would be warmer than it turned out to be. In Mackay, the temp range was 14 to 24 degrees, which is actually about average. A bit disappointing, I know. On the satellite loop, you can see or track at least this cold front trough system that's crossing New South Wales and southern Queensland. Ahead of it, you can see the little storm clouds forming, some of them just short, sharp showers. Affected the Darling Downs already this afternoon, then moved to the southeast coast and parts of the Wide Bay Burnett, and are starting to see a couple as well, maybe extending a little further north tonight. On today's chart, there's the cold front. It's right over central New South Wales now, and it's connected to a trough. It's a vigorous system, and I say that because behind it, the isobars are really closely spaced, so we've got a gusty southerly change coming in. Ahead of it, though, the winds are a bit lighter. They're coming from the northwest, and they're so light, in fact, over central Queensland that there was a little bit of fog around this morning again. On tomorrow's chart, look how quickly the cold front moves through and shoots out to sea. And as that low in the Tasman Sea deepens, so the next high comes in behind it, those dry southerlies will shoot right up the way to Cooktown. On the outlook chart, it gets even windier in the tropics. This next high comes across, but winds turn around and start to ease in the southeast. Now, the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Mackay waters. A strong wind warning has been issued for 20 to 30 knots south-southeasterlies tomorrow. The wind will stay strong on Thursday, and then on Friday drop to 15 to 20 knots from the southeast. First up tomorrow, we've got high tide, followed by low water around early afternoon. Tides are rising, but we've still got 4 more days until new moon. Central Coast and Whitsunday is fine and sunny tomorrow. Mackay, a colder night, 6 degrees, 23 tomorrow, Bowen 26 and Proserpine 25. Central Highlands and Coalfields, dry and clear, some frost on the Carnarvon Ranges. Emerald 8 to 21 degrees, much cooler. Claremont 20 and Moranbah 22. Looking ahead for Mackay, the tables begin to turn this weekend as a much more humid air mass moves over us, creating heavier clouds and a greater risk of showers into next week. And that's all for tonight, my friends. As always, it's been a pleasure to have your company, and thanks for supporting 7 Local Weather. I'll be back tomorrow with more on what's happening. Hope you can join me. Have a nice evening, and now it's back to the team.
You're wonderful, Liv. Good on you, mate. Thank you very much. Thanks for your company, folks. Anything you'd like to catch up on again, our 7plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow night. Good night.